In the case of Hobson v. Hansen, a case was brought against the Board of Education of Washington, D.C. by a group of plaintiffs claiming that 1. The district's neighborhood school policy had led to de facto segregation in the district. 2. The use of optional zones allowed white students assigned to predominantly Negro schools to attend predominantly white schools, thereby increasing segregation. 3. That teacher and administrative assignments were designed so that faculty race was the same as the students' race, thereby establishing Negro and white schools not just by student makeup, but by faculty as well. That spending at the Negro schools was $100 less per student than the white schools, making the schools unequal. That the white schools were underpopulated while the Negro schools were overcrowded. That the underpopulated white schools offered kindergarten programs without waiting lists, while the overcrowded Negro schools did not offer kindergarten or only offered shorter sessions. That reading scores for Negroes and poor and poor students were significantly behind the national norm, unlike the white and middle class students. And that tracking systems in place in the school system were ability-based and determined by aptitude tests that were designed for white affluent students and were unfair to Negro and poor students. And that the track system was designed for lower tracks to receive a blue-collar education, thereby depriving students from an equal opportunity for the white-collar education that the white and affluent students received.